Here. Side to side.
Shelf it.
Shove it. Shove it. Put me where you want me.
You need to slide this leg under here. So you just here. Leg just back more.
Good. Do one more time from your feet, from a takedown. Beautiful.